Hello all, welcome to the Textize YouTube channel. Today, I am going to show you how to change a folder icon using the desktop.ini file in Windows. This is the best and safe way. Without hesitation, let's jump into the process. First, select the folder for which you want to change the icon. Now, copy the icon file into this folder. In my case it is others.ico. Right-click inside the folder and select New. Text document. Name the new file as desktop.ini. Ensure it doesn't end with .txt. If the file already exists, skip this step. Right-click the desktop.ini file and choose Open with Notepad. In the desktop.ini file, add the following lines. You can copy them from description. Replace icon file path with the full path of the icon file which you want to use. In my case, it is others.ico. If you want to use a specific icon index within the icon file, change 0 to the corresponding index that depends on the icon file. After adding the necessary lines, click File, Save, or press Ctrl+S from the keyboard to save the file and close it. Hold Shift and right-click inside the folder and select Open PowerShell Window here option. Now, enter the following command and press Enter. You can copy the command line from the description below. Here, attrib is used to change the attributes of the file. +S is used for converting normal file to system file. +H is used for hiding the file, so that this file cannot be disturbed by any means in future. If the icon doesn't change immediately, refresh the folder by pressing F5 from the keyboard, or by closing and reopening the folder. If refresh doesn't work, then follow these steps. Right-click on the folder. Go to Properties. Go to Customize tab. Change Optimize option to General Items. And click on Apply and then click on OK. The folder should now display the new icon specified in the desktop.ini file. This method allows you to change the folder icon directly by modifying the folder's configuration file. If you want to make these changes permanent, then remove this portion in the desktop.ini file. In my case, it is others. You can move or copy this folder anywhere else, but the folder's icon remains same. This is how you can change the folder icons. Hope this is helpful to you. These steps have been documented with images, and the link is provided in the description below. You can download it for your future reference. Thanks, and for more updates, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Press bell icon for more notifications. Thanks a lot for your support and encouragement. See you in the next video. Until then, take care, guys. Bye-bye.